Okay, here we are dealing a very tricky questions. So what is the question? The one demand function is given, that is Q1 is equal 50 minus P1, and this demand function intersect another linear demand function Q2 at price level is equal 10. Price is 10. The elasticity of demand for second demand function, that is Q2, is 6 times larger than that of Q1 at that point. Now we have to find out the demand function for second demand function, that is Q2, second demand function. So we need to derive the demand function of second demand function. We need to derive the second demand function, that is Q2. So what will be the solution? What will be the answers? So what is given? Here given the demand function, first demand function, that is Q1. This demand function is given like that, 50 minus P. This is the demand function. If we take a figure, say this one demand function, say this is one demand function, say Q1, this is another demand function, say Q2, so this is the price. This price is, what will be the price? Price is given 10. This price is given 10. So by putting the P is equal to 10, by putting P is equal to 10, then Q1 is equal 50 minus P means 10, that is 40. Therefore, Q is equal to 40. Here P is equal to 10 means that this one P1 also. So here Q40, that is Q1 also, Q1 or Q2 also. We can put here Q2 also, P2 also. Now you see here given demand function. So Q, what is the quantity demand? That is say 40. Now as per questions or according to questions, what is the condition given in our question? That elasticity for second demand function is 6 times of first demand function, that is E2 is equal to 6 E1. Now we can write here E2 means dQ2 by dP2, that is differentiate slope of the second demand curve. Slope of the second demand curve, in order to find out the elasticity, so we have to find out the slope of the demand curve. So that is differentiate of Q2 in respect of P2 into P2 by Q2, that would equal 6 times U1. Similarly, dQ1 by dP1, differentiation of demand function 1 in respect of P1 into P1 by Q1. This is the first demand function, and we just expand the demand equations, the elasticity format. We just convert this one elasticity format. So 6 times. Now dQ2 by dP2, in place of dP2 we can write dP. So as because P is equal to 10, again it will equal to P1 is equal to P2, so we can write say here P2. Similarly, P2 means P, or here Q. We can write here sorry what okay. So dQ2 dP, again we can write here in place of P2 we can write P also, or we can write in place of Q2, we can write Q, or this one differentiate dq dp, dq dp, same thing, dq2 in respect of differentiation and p by q. It was p by q. Similarly, here 6 and dq1 differentiation dp1 into p1 by p, or we can write in place of p, p by q. We can write here p by q. So now we can put the value dq2 by dp, dq2, p by q means the value of p 10, value of q is 40, this one 40, again 6, we can write dq dp1. When you, what is the demand function of q1? This is the demand function 50 minus p. When we differentiate q1 in respect of p1, we will get minus 1. Here we will get the value is minus 1. Minus 1. This one minus 1. And this one 10 by, again 10 by 40. So these portions, this portion cancelled out. So what remaining here? dq2 dp is equal minus 6, or we can write dq2 is equal to 6 dp, 6 dp, minus 6, sorry, minus 6 dp, minus 6 dp, taking integration both side. After taking integration both side, taking integration both side, taking integration both side, taking integration both sides, that is dq2, this one integration is equal minus 6 dp. So when we integrate here, when we do the integration dq, so here we will get q2 and one constant will come here, say this one. Again dp here minus 6p, minus 6p plus say constant, one another constant also come here, say c2. So q2 minus 6.2. So what ultimately we are getting? q2 is equal to minus 6p here plus 6 c2 minus c1, c2 minus c1. So if q2, by putting the value of q2, by putting the value of q2 is equal to 40, by putting the value of q2 40 and p is equal to 10, then what will be the value of c2 minus c1? q2 is equal to 40 is equal to minus 6 into 10 plus c2 minus c1. So here 40 is equal to minus 60 plus c2 minus c1. So 60 minus 40, that will be 60 plus 40, 100. Therefore c2 minus c1 is equal to 100. Then what will be the demand function? Therefore q2 is equal 100 minus 6p. This is the demand function for the demand of q2 This is the demand function. Q2 is equal 100 minus 6P. This is the exact correct answers.